you know, dito sa For the Win, we're always happy, no? When our For the Win family members, you know, they either get back in the league or, you know, they move teams. So, una-una si Jai. Let's congratulate Jai back in the PBA. Ano ba tipo?
Salamat sa lahat ng pananawagan na ginawa natin dito. Sinend ko yun sa lahat ng team manager.
Baka For the Win episode.
Sinend ko kay Coach Richard Del Rosario yun. Sabi, bad attitude ka.
Sino yung nag-iisang management o coaching staff na hindi naniwalang may attitude problem?
Wala.
May kumuha nga sa'yo eh.
Oo nga. Pero hindi sila naniniwala.
Okay, so Jai will be playing for Talk and Text.
Yun?
In this upcoming conference.
Unahan na natin. Grabe pressure doon.
Bakit?
That's Talk and Text. You have to uphold yung
winning ways.
Quality of basketball.
Pati kasama ko lang naman dun si Jason at si Jimmy.
Oh, but Jimmy Alapag, Jason Castro, at least Jay din yung pangalan.
Actually, kaya talaga ako kinuha para ano lang.
Triple J na yun.
Para makompleto lang.
Pero are you excited? Are you nervous? Anong nararamdaman mo?
I'm excited, diba? To once again play in the Philippines. Yan yung pinakamasarap na feeling na maglaro ulit in front of the home crowd.
Yeah.
Diba?
Papagawa ka naman ng ay, Jai!
Solid.
Uy,
Malta ba yan?
pagka-game na, kayong dalawa ha.
Uy!
Alam nyo na yan.
Bias na yan.
Sige, first possession, di magsa-start ka.
10 times per minute mababanggit.
First shot mo pala. First shot.
Gawin mo, 10 beses ka tumira, first quarter pa lang.
First shot of the game, 3 points. Pag pumasok, magwawala na kami.
Yeah.
Parang game winner.
Pag hindi na shoot,
Hindi mo first game on a Wednesday, wala pa tao.
pag hindi na shoot yung tipong, medyo matulas kasi yung bola eh.
May dahilan.
Parang hindi napapasahan si Jai
Oo.
Ganun, diba?
Siya yung point guard eh.
Kahit na.
Bakit pagtawid niya? Bakit pagtawid ni Jai ng bola, hindi na bumabalik sa kanya?
Okay, so again, congratulations kay Jai, back in the PBA and deservingly so. Okay? And now to Doug.
Yan!
Ano ba team mo? Bago na team mo, di ba?
Kanya no, ano bang kulay?
Ateneo.
Hindi, I'll be playing for the Petron Blazers.
Natupad na, Carlo! Natupad na, Carlo!
Thank you.
Matagal.
Now, of course, matagal na natin kinakampanya yan na Doug would go to Petron. How long have you been saying this? 5 years?
A year and a half, 2.
Mula nung
5
2002, nung pumunta si Dog nang nakabarong sa Malacanang na walang undershirt.
Sinasabi na natin doon.
Kinakampanya na natin
Pang
doon.
Petron yan. Dapat yan Petron. Okay, but you haven't practiced with your new team.
No, and that's why I'm a bit nervous right
Why
now.
are you nervous?
Because the trade happened just a few days before the first game of Petron, which is on Friday. And I think my first practice will be on Wednesday, so that'll give me 2 days of practice.
It's a Monday today. Kanina ka lang na-trade, no?
Yeah, actually, I heard about it already. I think two or 3 days ago, but I couldn't see anything until it was official or approved by the commissioner. And I'll be traded for Dorian and a pick, I think, a second-round pick. And
anyway, God?
Sino yun? Sino nagsabi nun?
Voice of God.
Sino yung nagre-reklamo na bakit ganun daw yung management nila?
Meron? May nagreklamo?
Oo. Mahilig mag-go yun eh.
Oy!
Ito yung message ko dun sa Ito yung message ko dun sa assistant coach nung Barako Bull. Gaya na nung sinabi nung paborito kong singer, don't cry out loud. Just keep it inside.
OPM yan, ano?
Ay, may kanta.
Mahilig ka pala sa mga female singer. Okay, so, balik ako sa Junmar daw, kinabahan bigla eh.
Oo.
Medyo, di ba, celebration. Tapos, sinabihan si Junmar, Junmar,
bago ang kasama.
may kasama ka, araw-araw sa ensayo, si Doug Kramer. Opo.
Na-imagine ko yung boses niya ganun eh.
So, ano na siya, may medal na siya. Tapos, si Kramer, kami mo na, naku. Nakos maniro, no?
Isa rin yun sa ano ko I mean...
Junmar Pardo from Cebu. And I'm nervous because of Doug Kramer. Diba? Na-imagine ko, kinakabahan ng Junmar ngayon.
The
Kraken
Kraken
versus
the
Kramer.
Kraken and the
The Kramer.
Baka i-crack ka ni Kraken.
Para kay law firm na.
Oy,
Kraken and Kramer.
In
Bagay
fairness
yan.
to Petron,
Uy, may nag-text na ba
for
sa'yo?
3 days, yes. But actually, since 3 days ago pa,
Oh.
apparently it's been in the forums or whatever, but I couldn't
Oh.
respond. And so many fans have been, tagging me on Instagram or on Twitter and thanking me, and they're thankful that I am part of the team now.
Why are
and
they thankful?
I don't know. I guess they've been maybe si Carlo siguro nagkampanya.
Ako lang
every-
doon nagtatype. Kinakausap ko yung sarili ko sa forum. Para lang magka-pag-usapan.
They're so happy for me to be there, and it's a good transition for me to see that that there are fans that are looking forward to me suiting up for
Pakituruan naman si Junman ng bicep shot.
Oo nga.
Sige.
Di na, ganda-ganda ng tira ni Jurats. Papabicep
Oo,
shot.
Babasagin.
So
James,
sinasabi mo,
James,
pangit yung bicep shot.
Hindi, sobrang ganda.
Ingat-ingat.
Sino na yung mga nag-text sa'yo? Sino yung mga new teammates mo na uy, welcome bro.
Sa team, wala pa. Kasi it was just official, I think 1 hour ago.
So yung mga fans
Wala.
yung nag-welcome
Those are the
sa'yo.
fans,
May
yes.
pakil.
a lot of fans. Bakit? Kasi walang nag-welcome sa'yo. Walang nag-welcome sa'yo sa Talking
Arm
Dead.
wrestling tayo! Joke lang!
Oh, you know!
The gun!